When you manage a fleet, downtime costs money and safety is non-negotiable. That's why at VMB Autocentres, our mobile technicians bring dealership level care directly to your site. Before any work begins, we make safety our top priority. From setting out cones and wearing high visibility PPE to ensure every job area is clearly marked and secure. We also protect your premises and the environment. Our technicians use ground sheets to catch any possible spills, meaning no oil, coolant, or any other fluid ever touches the ground. Each service starts with a comprehensive health check. We check lights, tyres, wipers, brakes, suspension, and anything else that is required to be checked at that level of service, so your vehicles leave in top condition and your drivers stay safe. Every vehicle is safely supported using axle stands, so both our team and your drivers and your vehicles stay protected and safe. Where possible, we extract oil from above rather than draining it below. This minimizes pests, reducing risk of leaks, and keeps your site clean and compliant. If a drain plug is used, we always fit a new washer and check for leaks before signing off. VMB Autocentres, professional, safe, and efficient mobile servicing that keeps your fleet moving wherever you are.